Today we want to make this pickaxe, this axe, and this sword in Illustrator, which of course you can see in the Minecraft. Okay, let's go and start. We are going to make something surprising at the end of the video, so let's go and start. Well, first of all, I prepared this photo, but the photo you can see is a little crooked, so we have to make it pixelated. It's time to make 3D. It's very easy to make 3D in Illustrator, but it is very simple for this shape and you only change this option. This part doesn't require much explanation. We will follow the same steps as before.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
I also make this axe, and now it's time to make it 3D again. You make it 3D again. This is very easy for our shape, so don't worry about what level you are at.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these
Now we will reach the surprising part, and we need to tackle something challenging. place both so that the arrow is inside the bow, and then group them, because if you don't group them when you try to 3D, it will happen. In this video, we learned how to make an axe, a sword, a pickaxe, and an arrow with a bow in the Illustrator. If you have any ideas, I will be happy if you say them in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem or question about this video, I'm here to help you, so be sure to say it in the comments. See you soon. Goodbye.